Hello everyone, myself is Praveen Basapairvetti. Currently I'm pursuing my BCA Data Science IT in Ajinkya Devi Patil University. I am in a final year, so I'm doing an internship in Jupyter AI Lab since from past 3 months. So today topic is I'm going to explain what is meant by Rasa chatbot and how can we develop it and how can it can use for our in business domains also. So first of all, question is arises what is meant by Rasa. So Rasa is an open source machine learning framework for automated text and voice-based conversation to understand the message and hold the conversation and connect the messaging channels and the APIs, which is in between the user and the bots. So it is called as Rasa. So Rasa consists of two components. First one is Rasa NLU, another one is Rasa core. So Rasa NLU is help us the bot to understand the user words, whether the specific words that that person is asking, or on the basis of I have to give the output for that person. So this is the Rasa NLU help us to the bot to understand the words of the user. So Rasa Core is it's a framework which is machine learning based dialogue management, which takes the structured input from the NLU and predicts the next best action. So using probabilistic model like LSTM neural networks, so which is help us the on the basis of user inputs, it provides the best action after that. So to run the Rasa chatbot, we required some softwares. So first one, you need to install the Anaconda. So once you install the Anaconda, that after that you need to create an virtual environment. So I created the virtual environment with the help with the name of demo. I will show you while running. So in the behind side you need to have the Python 3.6. So why I use Python 3.6 is because of Python 3.7 and Python 3.8 have some dependencies. So while running this project, so I use the Python 3.6 only. So after that I installed some another few more frameworks like JSON and TensorFlow and Rasa and Visual C++. So here browser I use the Microsoft Edge to run my entire project. So after that I use framework Rasa 2.0 and IDE I use that is Visual Studio. So I created one bakery website with the help of HTML and CSS and JavaScript. So this is the front end sides and here are the some commands. So whenever you start your chatbot, the first command should be will be you need to run the Rasa initiate. It will initialize your config files and set up your files, and after that you need to run the you need to train your model. So I will use that time you need to use Rasa train. So if you want to interact with your chatbot in console only, that time you need to use the Rasa shell. It will talk to you in console there only. And for running your servers, for Rasa run command we use. So here are the other few more commands, but in this project I'm only running two commands. How we can activate our Conda environment, first command, and the second that we can enable our APIs and we can start with our project. So in completely UI part, so let's start with the activating the Conda environment. So here is the see here I use IDE Visual Studio Code, and here is the my file structure. So here is the this is the bot page, and which is containing UI part of the things like HTML CSS files. So in that actions file there are two files, initiate files, another one is action file, and their data file, NLU YML and rules YML and story YML. And after that models containing how many models which I have trained for that my chatbot. So story, which is on the basis of story, will be given. So this is the for my chatbot, and config YML and credentials YML, domain YML and point YML. So these are the files will contain the intents and the specific words to train the models. So you can see here chat ask and something. This is auto measure to whether the person is asking correct work. On the basis of it will provide the output of this from the chatbot. So let's start and activate our Conda environment. The first command is Conda activate demo. So demo is my virtual environment. So I have run that one, just it's executed. So second command, so Rasa run a model and hyphen enable hyphen API hyphen course and double image comma star button. So let's start. I will open my index.html file here. So it will take quite time to run the servers. We can see here our server is running up, and it's on localhost 5005. So let's open our index.html file with the help of live server that interact with our user interface. So this is my sample bakery project created with the help of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So you can see here. So here is the toggle menu, so which is chatbot. So I'll open it. So let's try hi. It asks me how are you. I'll tell him not good. And send me an image to give that help. Yes, it is great. Carry on. So I'll ask are you funny? I'll ask him some funny questions. You are cool. So it said, I am glad you think so. So I'll ask him his name. Hello, my name is virtualbot, and send me an image. Last name. Today it is sunny. Okay, the expression is like I like it when people laugh. Okay, this is my chatbot. It's giving some output. So that's all it from my chatbot. Thank you for watching this video.